Alright, recording the sewer line today here at 252 Northeast 43rd. Date is August 24th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the newly installed PVC repair at the sewer line 4x6 diameter shifting point, and also a near 90-degree turn here, close to the sidewalk, about 3 feet deep. I'm going to pull back. We're right at the main joint. We're transitioning from the customer's side sewer concrete 6-inch diameter portion to the city stub clay portion at the main, running up and down. What is that street there? Thackeray. So we're going to pull back from this point. Everything back from here is the homeowner responsibility, owned section of sewer. So coming back, 6-inch diameter pipe. See a little bit of root, a little bit of settling of the pipe there at that main stub. There's a little bit of a lip there that I'm unable to get the camera to jump. We're going to come back still from that point. I've zeroed out the footage, so we're going to get a pretty accurate count of the distance from there to there. We've got a joint or a seam in the pipe about every 2 feet. Those are the weak spots. That's where the root gets through. You can see some evidence of the pipe shifting and root intrusion there. This is out under the road coming back towards the sidewalk, and then we run kind of parallel with the sidewalk all the way down. I'm getting some sand there at the bottom of the pipe. The pipe's starting to wear a little bit. Where we've introduced some sand to the line, there's a little bit of rock. We're getting close. There's our repair here. So we've got, I'm going to call that 51 feet from the sewer main back to this PVC repair here. And coming up out of the repair, I believe we have footage of this section already, don't we? Yeah. Did I send you a video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we've got footage of the first section here already. And that'll get some cleaning done here before all is said and done. And end the video there. We've got to look at this section from the main. We've got to look on the other video from the house to this point. I'm going to wrap the video up.